In instances that we might misplace or someone took our device or things, then this is one of the solution. But before that, kindly hit that button below, like and subscribe, and don't forget to put your comments as well. At around €10, you will have this AirTag tracker. And I purchased this on Temu. The name of the product is LucidTag, but this device works only for Apple devices, which we all know that Apple products are expensive. Well, if you wanted to lessen the cost of your budget, then for me, this is an alternative for Apple AirTag. So inside the box, let's start with the user's manual. Then the product information paper. And an AirTag tracker silicone holder with keychain clip. Most specially is this AirTag tracker that is powered by a button battery. Then remove this paper so that this device will work. There's a button around this edge to turn on the device. So on your iPhone, connect this device into the Find My app. And to have a proper name of each devices, then change the icon that corresponds to the gadget description that you wanted to protect. And since the bike is the most important item that I need to monitor, which I always use to go for grocery and let it stay outside. Though it has a chain on it, but still I am not comfortable with. And I keep it hidden in the bike, where the device fits perfectly, so I can locate if somebody will take it. And here's the real-time tracking of the device. Well, in my opinion, the accuracy and effectiveness of the device impressed me so much, and even the consumption of the battery is superb. It is almost a month of usage, but still, the battery is full. You don't have to worry when you will going to change the battery, because in the app, you will know the battery status of the device. And that's it. If you reach until this video, then thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, as well as your thoughts about this device. Your help is highly appreciated.